Hi. In this video, you will learn how to use CapCut PC for free with this simple trick. First, install and open CapCut on your PC. Then click on Setting. Now you have to change Drafts setting. Create Drafts folder on Desktop and then change this folder location to Desktop folder. Then save the settings and click on Create Project. Now, import your content here and check what is the project name. Don't skip the video because every step is important in this video. Now, I will edit my clip and then add some pro elements and effects. Then I will try to export the clip. When I tried to export the edited clip, it says you are using Pro features, and without joining Pro, you won't be able to export the clip. Now, select everything on the timeline, then right-click and select Create Compound Clip. Again, right-click and select Pre-process the compound clip. When the processing is finished, it will depend on your PC specs. After that, open Drafts folder from the desktop. Then open Project folder. Then open Resources folder. And after that, open Combination folder from here. Which clip doesn't have any preview, import that in your CapCut app. Now drag that clip on timeline and drop it on existing clip. It will show you option to replace the clip. Now click on Replace button. Now, play the clip and check effects, which I have added before, are there. Now, I will try to export this clip. This time, it will let you export video. From here, choose any setting in which you want to export your clip. So like this, you can edit your videos for free. Now open the output folder. Now play your clip and you will find everything in it. If you find this video useful, then please like the video and share this with your loved ones. Also, subscribe our channel for more tricks like this. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you next time. Till then, goodbye.